We need to do your eyes. Do your eyes. Okay? You need to do your eyes. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are in Shiprock, New Mexico, and we are leaving New Mexico today. We're heading west into northern Arizona, and we're going to cut up into southern Utah. I think the weather's going to be okay. Summer's winding down. I think we're getting low 80s, upper 70s this week where we're going, so it will be okay. So we're getting ready to leave this valley where trees still grow and there's still vegetation growing. All that's going to end. There won't be any more shade to find. I don't think there'll be any shade to find unless you hide behind a big rock. But we're going to get going. Okay, we're going to get back on Highway 64 headed west. We are going to leave New Mexico. This town, Shiprock, New Mexico, was named after, we'll have to try to get a better look at it. Way off in the distance, up on the left side of the road, is a big rock formation called Shiprock. There's some interesting information on Wikipedia about it if you want to look that up. It's an interesting read. Anyway, hopefully we'll get up here and get a little better glimpse of it. But we are going to head out of here, out of New Mexico, going west on 64 into Arizona. Okay, way out there on the left is Shiprock, and the town of Shiprock, New Mexico, was named after that big rock. Now, the town is governed by the Navajo Nation, and so we are on reservation land, and that rock actually plays a part in their religion and beliefs and such. It has an interesting history. Again, if you're into that sort of thing, you look it up on Google, probably get a Wikipedia result, lots of information there. Anyway, that's probably all we're going to see of it, because that's not where we're going. We're going to get out the highway here and head north, back up to Utah, see more red rocks. Meanwhile, about 60 miles later, we've entered Arizona. We've gone through Red Mesa, Arizona, and we're going to turn right here and head north on Highway 191, this is just before Mexican Water, Arizona. So we're going to head north on 191 towards Bluff, Utah, and I think the landscape is going to start changing pretty drastically here pretty soon. We're almost back to the Red Rock region, so away we go. Okay, I think I've made a slight navigational error. I thought I was on the highway to come through Bluff, but I didn't go that way. Bluff is to the right, but we're going to continue. We're going to go left and continue west towards Mexican Hat, Utah. I think we're going to go see right around Goosenecks State Park. We may camp there tonight. We'll see what that looks like. Well, we're definitely getting into Red Rock territory now. Monument Valley is not much further down that last road there, but we're going to turn off here. Goosenecks State Park is supposed to be, or is, right up here just a little bit. I think we're going to see about staying there for the tonight, but I think that's where the San Juan River, I believe, cuts in a really deep valley. It's supposed to be very, very scenic, so we may stay there at least for tonight. Well, we've made it to Goosenecks State Park. I'm assuming they named it because of the way the San Juan River cuts through the earth. It's in the shape of goosenecks. Big curve, a bunch of them. So we stayed here last night, and the bounder's up that way. Stayed here last night, $10. No hookups. I get some AT&T service out here, no Verizon. But we're gonna have a look down the road here. About 6 miles from here, I think, is some BLM land. So some free camping. I should still have cell service. It's closer to Mexican Hat. Now, Mexican Hat is actually, I don't know if it's a monument, but it's a big rock. So we'll have to go check that out. And Mexican Hat, I don't know if you can quite call it a community. I don't know how many residences there are there, but there are some, I guess it's like a desert oasis, modern day. It has a gas station and some conveniences and some hotels and a restaurant and lounge sort of thing. So we're about 10 miles north of that. And Bella's sporting her nice new pink collar today. Pretty nice. She's feeling a little extra pretty today. Yeah, I'm not real keen about getting too close to these edges. I'm gonna stay a good 15 feet back probably. We can go over this way a little bit. Get a little better view of the river. Quite a place. quite a place. Camping spots all along here. There, you can have a little bit of leash back now that we're away from the edge. So there are many pull-offs down along here. It's got campfires, stone campfire rings. So you can pull your rig up pretty dang close to where you have a nice view. And this road continues on down quite a ways down there. I wouldn't say it's unlimited camping, but there's a lot of room out here. A lot of room. Any size rig. Come on. Come on, this way. Well, there's two reasons I'm not going to let Bella off leash here. One might be obvious. I don't want her to get snooping too close to the edge, but the other reason is it's the rule here. It is a state park. It says up there, as the ranger said, leash law here. I said, okay. Last night was so nice out here. I've seen a starry sky like I have never ever seen before. It was amazing. It made me dig out a camera I haven't used in a while. I was trying to get it set up and do a time lapse, a night time lapse of the stars, and it didn't work out very good. But I've done it before. I got it down now. Maybe I'll try tonight again. I don't know if I'll get that in the end of this video or maybe in the next one. But I'll share that. It was just amazing, the amount of stars in the sky. Just amazing. So I do want to get over and check out that BLM land. Like I say, it's only 6 miles away. If I got cell service, we'll be good there for a while. It's gonna be time to take a little time out. It's kind of like spring cleaning. It's gonna be fall cleaning. Once in a while I gotta take time to really give you the RV a good cleaning. I cleaned the bathroom this morning. I need to do the kitchen, other areas, miscellaneous other tasks. Need to change the oil on the motorcycle. Need to get it down, go for a ride on it. There's just always something to do. One of those tasks is I need to run the onboard generator, the Onan generator. It still has a problem, but I can make it run, and I need to, just for maintenance reasons, to keep all the other components healthy. Onan recommends to run the generator at 50% load for 2 hours at least once a month, just for the sake of keeping all the components fresh and happy. So somebody emailed or sent me a message. I believe your name is Marshall. For some reason that message got flagged for review, and I've held it there. I intentionally did not approve it. I held it there so I didn't lose track of it until I was ready to address this thing again. But I have some stuff I downloaded, and we went through a bunch of checks, and yeah, I appreciate that extensive email and information, but maybe I'll get to that very soon here. It sure would be nice to get that generator running. So we are going to move on from this place called Goosenecks State Park. We're going to go and head to our new destination and maybe set up camp for a little bit. Just take care of some things. Work on our RV. Keep it up to speed. do our fall cleaning, and that's it. We'll be back, probably be back from there. I hope you enjoyed the views from the park. Highly recommended. Beautiful night skies, quiet, nice breeze, beautiful place. So, as always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care.